ever thought of making something special for your kids but did not exactly know what to make? Well, today's recipe is the perfect one for that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Garden Recipes. So today I am going to make 3 different varieties of pancakes. First I am going to make the vanilla pancake. For this I am going to crack 1 egg into a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it nicely. To this add half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well everything together. Then add 250 gram of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well together. Then add the milk into it. Here I took near to 1 glass of milk. Add the milk gradually into the mixture and mix well until it becomes smooth. Now the batter is ready. Heat a pan over a low flame. Scoop the batter into it. Until the bubbles come up. After that, flip over it and cook for 1 minute. Then transfer the pancake to a plate. Repeat the same process with the remaining butter. Our vanilla pancake is ready. Serve it hot with some honey, butter and mixed berries. For making strawberry pancakes, first I am going to make the syrup. Heat a pan and add 200 gram of strawberries into it. To this add 4 tablespoons of sugar and half glass of water. Mix it well. Cover it and cook for 3 minutes. Stir it occasionally. To this add 1 lemon juice and cook again for few minutes. Transfer the strawberries to a mixer and grind it. Our strawberry syrup is ready. Crack 1 egg into the mixing bowl. Whisk it nicely. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon of salt into it. Mix it well. Add half portion of strawberry syrup into it. all the ingredients well. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it nicely and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add half tablespoon of raspberry essence into it. Mix it well. And then add 200 gram of all-purpose flour into it. Mix all the ingredients well together. To this add the buttermilk. I took here half glass of buttermilk. Add the buttermilk gradually into the mixture and mix well until it becomes smooth. Our batter is ready. Heat the pan over a low flame and scoop the butter into it. When the bubbles come up, flip over and cook for 1 minute. Then transfer the pancake to a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Strawberry pancake is ready. Serve it hot with some strawberry syrup, butter and with some strawberry pieces. For making chocolate pancakes, crack 1 egg into a mixing bowl. And whisk it nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking powder into it. Mix everything well. Then add half tablespoon of vanilla extract into it. Mix it nicely. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. Mix it nicely. Then add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it well. Add 150 gram of melted chocolate into it. Mix it. Then add 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Then add the milk into it. Here I took half glass of milk. Add the milk gradually into the mixer and mix well until it becomes smooth. Our batter is ready. Heat the pan over a low flame and scoop the batter into it. Cook until the bubbles come up and flip over and cook for 1 minute. Transfer the pancake to a plate. Repeat the process again with the remaining batter. Chocolate pancake is ready. Serve it with some chocolate syrup, butter, and with some blueberries. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.